Okay, today we're going to be starting a cold engine after the fuel lines have been all drained of gas. You've run the tank empty the day before. Now we put gas in it and we will be starting it from there. So the first thing, we check that the throttle is moving all the way back to the stop freely, no hanging up. Then we pump the primer, and we're just pumping air at first, so we're going to keep pumping until we get gas up to the T in the fuel line, and then up into the primer as we have right there. And we do one pump, two pumps. Then we don't get in a big hurry to start the engine. If you leave it sit for 30 seconds or so, the gas has time to evaporate, it'll start better. Hold the throttle in such a way that it can't get pulled if the engine revs up. And then it gave a fire. And I would proceed to do a proper warm-up.